In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix folder is empty but has files and shows size in Windows 11 or in Windows 10. This should be a quick process video. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Now, all you have to do is to follow these steps. Now, just go ahead to your File Explorer, click on it, and then just choose the file you have the problem with. In my case, I'm going to choose this file. Now, at the top, as you can see, there is View. Now, just go ahead, click on it. And after you click on it, go ahead, click on Show. And at the bottom, just click on Hidden Menu Items. And if there's any hidden menu items, they will pop up for you after you click on it. Now just go ahead, close the File Explorer, and let's go to the next step. Now just go to the search menu, type in Control Panel, click on Open, and go to View By that's located at the top right. Click on Large Icons, and then just go ahead, click on File Explorer Options. Now, after you click on it, this window will pop up. After that, just go ahead, click on View tab. Now just scroll down, click on Show Hidden Files. After you click on it, click on Apply, then OK. So that was a quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.